traditional German from Russia dumpling soup. This is the ingredient: 1 cup milk, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon poultry, half teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon salt, and 2 cups.
And we would like to note that baking soda is double acting baking soda. Anyway, give me the flour.
So we're gonna put flour in it.
And now the salt and pepper. Mom, come over here so you can see me mixing. That's the whole point, so you can see into the bowl. You were supposed to have the baking soda first, but this is what we do. And now we need to thoroughly mix it. Just spend a minute or two here mixing it. It really does take a long time to get it all incorporated. But if you have any inconsistencies, you will really be able to taste it in your final product.
Tell me what you're doing.
We're making a hole in the middle of our dough to add our flours, and when you mix, you want to go in this sort of motion. Do not cut through the dough.
No. Ready? Turn, fold, push. Turn, fold, push.
So we're gonna roll it out and cut it.
We're just gonna cut it in half to start with. Nice long pieces. And then we're gonna do the next long piece. And it's going to be too wide. We're looking for little like thumb-shaped doughs. So it's sticky. I'm going to put a little flour on it. And we're going to cut this in thirds. You're doing good. There we go. And now we can kind of roll that out like a rope. So my family makes this into soup most often. When my grandmother taught me how to make this, she said that she likes to have egg in hers, and she had a chicken coop. But she said Grandpa Basant's did not like to have egg in his. He only wanted water. He didn't even want milk. But they lived on a dairy farm, so I think my grandma always added the milk. But during the Depression, if you only needed the wheat flour, that was something that they were growing in the fields. So if you just have the flour and the water, you could even make this. And she said when times were better and they had more money, then they got to add the seasonings in, like the salt and the pepper and the baking soda.
Is this good?
That is good. Mm-hmm.
Look like big. I have to cut this.
Either that or you gotta roll it. So, because we want it to be about the thickness of one of your fingers. And so that's pretty thick. And that's why I cut mine, because it's a cheater way to make it easier. Sometimes, especially if there's too much flour, yep, it's hard to get them as thin as they need to be. But your dumplings, because they have that baking powder in there, they will fluff up a bit. So you want to make them smaller than the final product.
I noticed that you cannot eat this with raw.
Very true.
Hi guys!
And today we're making Knoephla with a K,
which is traditional because it's from forget.